Hey guys! Alright, so I'm working with a 16 by 20 inch canvas and I wanted to do something just a little bit different than my usual, and I'm going to do a Dutch pour, I think. I think that's what I'm going to do. I've got my little pink Yeeho hair dryer ready to go. I mixed up some paints. I have these little tiny bottles. I'm not sure how they work. I haven't used them yet. I just got them at the dollar store. I saw them and I was like, yeah, let's give it a try. And first and foremost, though, I want to thank the lovely Cathleen Osmore of Cause Creation. I have yet to been able to thank her for this beautiful paint. I love the metallic accents by Rustoleum. She sent me two. One was a champagne color. This is the, which one is this? This is Metallic Sea Shell. And I love this paint. I'm going to use it in my Dutch pour today. I'm not sure how it'll work out. We might end up just doing a, if it doesn't work, we're going to be trying something else, obviously. But I have my paints all mixed up. It depends how you want to mix them. So, sorry, I'm just trying to think of how I mix these. So this is about a third water to 2/3 part paint. And then I did add a little bit of GAC 800 in there. So I didn't get any cracking because I've never used this in a Dutch pour before and I'm not super familiar with the Dutch pour. I've only done a handful of them. So that's what I did with the oyster shell or the seashell. This color is black, but I also needed to mix up some more paint, so I added some Payne's Gray by Golden, and it's the heavy duty, the hard bodied paint, heavy bodied paint, and that I mixed 50-50 with water, but this also has Floetrol and Liquitex pouring medium in it, because that was what was in my black, so I just threw more stuff in there, hoping that it would work. A little bit of GAC 800, water. So I don't really have a specific recipe. I was just going for consistency at this point. But my other colors are Blick Acrylic's Fluorescent Violet, and that is 50-50 with water, and I added a little bit of GAC 800. This blue, let me just show you this. This is Arteza's Fairy Dust Iridescent Paint. And what I did was I added, I just love it. So I added a little bit of Anthraquinone Blue and then also a little bit of Deco Art's Deep Sapphire Extreme Sheen Metallic Paint to that. Again, from a previous pour, so it's got Floetrol and Liquitex and water and GAC 800 in there also. This color is the mix of that I have over here. This is Amsterdam's Titanium White mixed 50-50-ish with water and a little bit of GAC in that one. And then this is PBO's Iridescent Gold mixed 50-50 with water, and I did put a drop of GAC 800 in there. So I just want to see how this goes. My paint still might be too thick, so I may have to adjust things or just paint something completely different because, you know, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work, and not everything I do works out, that's for sure. So we're gonna put down a base coat. I'm gonna use the Pearl Metallic Accents Rustoleum Sea Shell, not the Pearl, and then this. So I'm going to do a split base type of thing and go from there. So I'm just going to, I'm like so nervous. I don't know how much of this I want to use because I've never used it in a Dutch pour. So we're just going to do that. I'm going to need a little more right there. I know I am. And then I have my black mix, but what we're gonna do, pardon the hair dryer, we're gonna blow this out. Okay. So I have a feeling my paint is a little thick, so we'll see how this goes. Much thinner. I think. Okay. I'm just gonna leave that like that for now. I see that the pearl white actually makes some cells and they're really pretty. So what I'm going to do is take that. And some of the white. And I think that'll be all for now. And then I'm gonna do that. A little shaky, I'm nervous. And we are going to blow this out. Oh, let me get my torch. I see some air bubbles in here. All right. Okay, it's super soft. Somewhat uneventful, but I really love how soft it looks. Come in here. I'm not used to my canvas being up so high, so it's hard to get in where I need to because my countertops are so high compared to most people's workstations. I'm just filling in the edges here. Okay, I want to get this right here. All right, so we're gonna bring you guys in. I might actually add a little pink. Maybe. Yeah, why don't we do that? Okay. Okay, we are going to bring you guys in just a second. Okay, here we are. Pardon the lights. So you did see me add a little bit of the fluorescent violet. It really blended a lot with the pearl or the oyster shell by Rustoleum. So I definitely had to bring a little more splash of color into it. But I really love this piece and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, and here are the dried results. I just love that shimmer with the pearl or the seashell by Rustoleum. So I'm super pleased with the finished results. Okay guys, thanks so much for joining us today in the premieres. Next up is Fiona Art. Have a great day. Try to get it all in camera. There we go.